Hey, this is just a quick video to show you how to use the GPX route import function on the Beeline app for Android. So it's very simple. You can just tap on where to as you would usually plan a route, and you're going to want to make sure route mode is turned off because this function only works with compass mode currently. So if you tap on this three-dot menu up here, you can see the option to import a GPX file, and this will open up a file browser and you can find any routes that you have saved on your phone. So I've got one here for Mallorca, and that will load us in, and you can zoom in and edit pins as well if you'd like to, and so this will just allow you to follow the route in compass mode on your Beeline device when you hit go. You can even save these routes to use later, so let's just call this test and hit save, and then when we go back to the navigate screen we'll be able to load that again. So very simple. Now you can download GPX files straight onto your phone as well. If you go and find a route online, for example this route from London to Brighton, if we find the download link down here and then choose to download it, we can then hit open and it will open that straight up in the Beeline app. Now you might find if you have some other apps that can open GPX files, it will give you an option of different applications to use, so just choose the Beeline app from there and you're ready to go. If you have any further questions or problems, just head to the beeline.co website where you'll find lots of helpful support documents and other information.